explain to us why and how people burp?
Well, first, they suddenly appear in your kidney here.
I thought your kidney was...
No, but it's here.
Okay.
And then they walk up the stairs around your back here. Then keep on going around your neck and up to here.
So
There's a bench
right there.
sticking out of your neck, inside your neck.
So that's the waiting bench?
Yes, and there's an elevator that takes them up
Elevator.
to
The elevator
a few things behind your uvula, and then there's a hallway that leads
right up to your uvula?
Yeah,
Right.
and then they have to jump down onto your tongue, walk out to the tip, and then you burp, and they spread all over the room.
I thought they jumped